Hey guys, good day. I have heard many times that in the market, only option sellers make money. Option buyers will always lose. If an option buyer is alert, he will not lose money at any cost. Only criteria for an option buyer is his alertness. If there are only sellers in the market, then who is a buyer? So option buying can also give us profit. I have an example in this video. Please see this video till the end. It's a very short video. So just have a look at this video and opt for option buying also. Even it's a good business. So please look into a disclaimer. Please read the complete disclaimer. My entry is at 213 and my first target is 224 and my second target is 232. I have already achieved my first target 224. The reason why I am not out of the trade because there is a resistance here at 17,424. I'm sorry, 17,427. So that's the reason why I am not out of the trade. I did not put my stop loss also. I will exit my entire quantity for at my first target. First target of 224. My entry is at 213. Today it is a sideways market. We don't lose our money in sideways market. In a trending market, if we are opposite for our trend, for the existing for the trending market, then we will lose, but not in a sideways market. Let's hope it reaches my second target. Second target is very hard to achieve. Due to high volatility, see, we can see here big wicks, and even this also big wicks. Big wicks are very dangerous. Yes, we are on PE side. You are correct. We are on PE side. Yeah. I have taken trade on PE side, not on the call side. I have taken trade on the sell side, but I'm buying put option. I'm not selling put option. See, this is what buy 17,500 Okay, I did not mention PE here, correct? I'm sorry about it. PE. Yes, we are long on put option, 17,500 put option. 17,500 put option. This is what here. I think today I should not be greedy. Let me exit at 219. It's not a matter of greediness, but I'm sure that this today market will going to tag this line, this 17,344. I'm confident about it. Okay, let me wait for it. Let me not exit at 219. Yes, if anyone have taken a trade, please exit at 1:1. That is 223, 224. What's my first target? Yeah, 224. So please exit at 224. If you have taken one lot. Please exit your positions at 224 or 223 also. So 10 points. Media slightly moving up. There is no support from Bank Nifty. There is no support from Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is trading minus 348 and it was minus 450. Please exit your trades at 224. I don't have real patience to wait so much. It's taking it's not even tagging 225, 226. The high made here is 207. No, I'm sorry. The high made here is 219. Yes. Time decay. Time is eating our money. Time is eating our money. It has to cross day slow. My second target 232 is also done and dusted. My second target 232 is done. I bought 17,500 put options at 213 with a stop loss of 202, and my first target is 224 and my second target is 232. Both the targets are done for the day. The reason why I took this trade, see, I took a trade on this candle, on a candle, just one moment. I took a trade on a candle, on this candle. The low of this candle, I took a trade, and my expectation was the market will come to this support 17,360, and I made an exit from there. So both my first target and second target, both the targets are finished. Thank you so much in participating this live trade. I hope you all participate in my live trade to earn profits on Monday. Thank you so much. See you back on Monday.